Hey Julie, my name is Lee Terbienic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help your business grow, give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on the video at the end. So let's jump right in. The 3 major things I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is any writing that you see on your homepage here, and even the pictures and what they're saved as is considered content. And Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage. So you guys do have some content as we scroll down. content, maybe about 200 words max. So I did a quick search for plumbers in Huntersville, NC, to see who was in first place when it came up, and it's Osborne Plumbing and Drain. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. And as you could scroll down, it does have a little bit of content, but not much. If you were to go get the 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, which we'll get into your keyword shortly, you'd easily beat him in that aspect. So now let's go back to this main Google page because I'm going to break down Google for you. So Google has 3 sections to it. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying big money to be up there. And I mean, they're okay to run. However, I see them as unnecessary because if you're ranking in the top 3 on this Google Map Pack and on this first page for your organic section down here, then it's unnecessary to be running these ads. I mean, they do help, but they can get very costly if they're not ran effectively. So let's focus on this. Now, as you can see, I just did a quick search still. Plumbers in Huntersville, NC, and North Mecklenburg Plumbing Co. is popping up, and you guys are in first place. So that is a good sign. Now, what dictates your ranking in this section is called a citation. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, in like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook. You guys probably have the most at the moment. That's why you are ranking in the top. But who's to say that these people aren't coming back? So I would like to add 80 to 100, maybe 200 more citations to your guys' GMB listing. Get your name out there more. So that's 200 more sources for your name to be at, and address and phone number, so people can find you when they're looking for your service. In this third section is the organic section. Now this has to deal directly with your website, and this is we're going to go a little bit more in depth with your website. So as you can see, Osborne Plumbing and Drain is in first place. So I put in your guys' website, northmeckplumbing.com, and this will show me a basic overview of all your stats. So your UR and DR, which is the trust flow to your website and the power of your backlink profile. Now, what ranks you in this section, as you can see, it's showing me backlinks and referring domains. That's what ranks you in this organic section, is a backlink. Now, a backlink is when one website links back to another website via hyperlink. I'm sure you've seen them. It's little blue writing, and you click on it, it takes you to a completely different website, but it might be in the same field of what you were looking for. Well, that's that website giving the other website a backlink, and it's saying, yes, I'll vouch for that website, and I'll even send my traffic to that website. Google loves that. And the more backlinks you have, the more votes you have, the more trust you have, the higher you'll rank. So as you can see, you guys have 68 referring domains giving you 610 backlinks. And the ones that really transfer power are these do follow links. You have 38 of them. So now backlinks aren't created equal. You want more relative or relevant backlinks linking back to you rather than, say, Pizza Hut giving you a backlink. Because you don't sling pizzas for a living, you guys are plumbers. So you would want other plumbing sites or construction sites linking to you that would send their traffic to you. You know what I mean? So as you can see, that you guys have 38 that are transferring any power. Now we go over to Osborne Plumbing. He has 23 and a 7, he has 140 backlinks and 26, and 10 of them are powerful on this. So he's ranking for 142 keywords, and he's bringing in almost 180 traffic at the moment. But let's go and show you why it's very important not only to build backlinks for your SEO purposes, but show you your keywords that it's necessary for the 1,500 words on your homepage, because you can put one of these keywords per every 100 words. But this is going to show you how much search volume you're missing out on by not being in that first place. Plumbers, Huntersville, NC. 150 search volume with a 0 KD. Now KD is how hard it is to rank for this keyword, meaning if this was like a 10 or a 20, that means there's a bunch of companies with this same keyword all trying to battle to get the traffic. But if it's a 0, that means there's not many companies at all, and it's easy to rank in that first place. And you'll be getting all this traffic that's coming to you. So he's in the second position, and he's getting 24 traffic just from this one keyword alone. That's 24 jobs. But you have the option of 150 to be grabbing. So let's see, commercial plumbing Charlotte 50 and 2, commercial plumber Charlotte 50 and 3, plumber Huntersville 50 and 0, commercial plumbing Charlotte 40 and 15, couple with their name, plumber Huntersville 60 and 0, plumbing Charlotte NC 434, plumber Matthews NC 100. So basically you want to keep these high volume, low KD keywords, and that is what you place throughout your content on your home page. Now I kind of want to do a quick overview because this is looks like a kind of basic website. And as you can see, all your services are just listed like this, when each of these should have its own little drop down page to be ranking separately with keywords for your area. So bathroom renovation Huntersville would have its own keywords. Kitchen remodel would have its own specific keywords when someone's looking for kitchen remodeling in your area. Hot water heaters have their own. So there is a lot of research to be done, but it can be very profitable. And let's touch base again on what we talked. I'd love to talk with you guys more in depth on this and possibly help you in the future, because there is so much search volume in your area, as you've seen, and if we were to get your website redone and built out right, you guys could really take your business to the next level just by looking at doing quick research. But anyways, the first thing we talked about was content. Google likes to see typically around 1,500 words on your home page. So you can fit those important keywords that people are actually typing into Google each month. Second thing we talked about was citations, and that's what ranks you in this map pack, and you currently are ranking #1 for this keyword, but I suggest going to get 200 to 300 of them, beat out these guys by a landslide, and also to get your name out there in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing we talked about, which is the most important, is backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, just give me a call at 570-240-5257. Thanks for watching, and remember, my any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just give me a call whenever you guys are ready to talk about the video. Thank you. Have a great day, Julie.